I'm Jared Deenda, and this is Snap-on Tool Tips. I'm here with Scott. We're talking about locking pliers. Notably, this is the only locking plier made in the USA in the last 10 years. Let's talk about the key features of these items.
Yeah, this is new to the line. This is the LP7. We also have the LP10 here. Again, just a little bit different variety for whatever job that you're working on, but a lot of cool features, kind of like what you said, Jared. So why don't we start off at the front end of the tool. So most notably, up on the front end of the working area, this is a unique broach that we cut in, very sharp, allows you to really, more likely if you're using a locking plier, you probably want to grab on pretty tight, right?
Yeah.
So you want to make sure that those jaws are sharp and can actually grip into whatever surface that you're trying to grab. Then as you move up, we have a pinned and brazed upper jaw. That's important because when you're applying a significant load on a locking plier, a lot of times what happens is if it's not pinned and brazed, you get that misalignment, right? So if you're on a bolt head or something narrow and you go to really put a large clamping load, that jaws are not going to be aligned and therefore it'll just break away and you'll lose grip. So pinning and brazing it is what really stops that from happening.
Also durability, so precision and durability, because your tools drop around or slam down and you want to make sure it does the right job.
That's right. I mean, when you are grabbing onto something, it's probably an extreme case, so you want to make sure that they hold up over time. So then moving back, probably what the most important feature of this tool is what we call a power ring. This allows you to put 4,000 pounds through the 7s and 5,000 pounds of gripping force through the 10s. And it does that through a large adjustment knob. So we put some strong knurling on there, as well as a 5/16 hex key on there. So when you go to actually put that force to whatever it is, that you can actually use a hex key or a bit socket and apply it. Conversely, when you have a big load against it, you can loosen it so that that plier isn't blowing out and get you in the fingers.
Yeah.
We've all had that happen, right? Yeah, nice nickel coat on there. Make sure that it's gonna last for a very long time. And we smooth and polish that release trigger so that when you do go to release, it's not just blows out and it doesn't stick, that it's a nice smooth release so that, again, you don't blow the tool off, whatever it is that you're grabbing, and it goes all over the place.
Yeah, nice textured finish, so it feels good in your hands. If your hands are oily or dirty, you can really get a grip, and literally get a grip, lock it down. So, a couple options there for you. Talk to your franchisee.